Well, three-time Emmy nominee Peter Krause is no stranger to acclaimed television shows.
That's right, and now he's joining the world of Shondaland in the buzzy new drama The Catch as Ben, a con man who just might have a heart. We'll see. Take a look.
What do you think?
Will I know why I lost control of my heart and soul?
I think you should take it off.
Peter joins us live. Peter, welcome back. This is such a great show. You know, it premieres tomorrow night, but Jackie and I got to watch it last night, and it is so good. It's like,
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
It's fast-paced, it's fun, it's like cat and mouse, Ocean's 11,
sexy,
James Bond.
sexy.
Very racy.
Yes.
Racy than I
Look at your
thought.
plan, big sex symbol.
But this is a very different role for you,
Yeah,
too.
it is. My 14-year-old son had a good laugh when he saw the trailer. Because he doesn't look at me, obviously, that way, you know.
Yeah.
But now he's going to have to.
Yes.
Yeah.
Were you kind of a big fan of this genre before, like the?
I wasn't that familiar with it. You know, I tune into just about everything on TV, so I was somewhat familiar with Shonda's shows, but she's been very welcoming, and you know, it's been a great experience. We've been having a blast.
Yeah. Well, it shows.
Working with Mireille Enos is great, and Alan Heinberg, who's our executive producer, showrunner, is who Shonda put in charge of the show, and he kind of reimagined what it is now, and he's done a fantastic job. Very difficult show to write, but he's doing a fantastic job.
Yeah.
Well, you can't reveal too much. We know how it works in Shondaland.
Yeah.
We had a lot of folks from different shows on this show. But what can you tell us about your character? You play Ben, and he's conflicted. He's got some issues.
I mean, he's a thief.
Okay.
But like,
there's that.
Like Robin Hood, he's just
he's a good thief.
Yes, he's a good thief. He's just alleviating those with excess wealth from some of it.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. But you'll find as you watch the show that he has a difficult time hanging on to that which he's stolen. He also happens to fall in love with his Mark, who's a private investigator, played by the wonderful Mireille Enos. Who's been
Hard not to fall in love with her. She's gorgeous.
She's great, man.
And how much fun is it working
with
with her? What a great actress.
It is terrific working with her. We've had got confusing for us because we were playing these flashbacks. So in terms of tracking our arc about when we first see each other, we had to reshoot a thing because we were ultimately too happy to see each other in the scene. They said, no, you're not there yet. We need to recalibrate that. And so, but anyway, yes.
Well, you've been on so many successful shows. I loved you in all of them. But, you know, as we mentioned, this is your first time in Shondaland.
Yes.
So what's it been like working with Shonda?
It's been great. You know, we had phone conversations initially, and then I've just met her once. But like I said, she put Alan Heinberg in charge. It's been great. It's been a really welcoming family-type experience, in spite of how racy.
Well, I have to ask you this, though, because when you join a Shonda show, it's like you have to be active on social media. So I think I looked for your Twitter. Didn't see one.
They tried.
Wait, so are you the only one that's not going to do it?
Are you not?
It's just not for me.
You don't think they can convince you over?
You know, maybe you'll find some tweets out there as a character I play.
Okay.
It won't be me. But yeah, there might be some tweets out there from one of the alter egos of Benjamin Jones.
Yeah.
You know, you've had some great roles. What? Sports Night, 6 Feet Under, Parenthood. I mean, how do you go about choosing? Because you choose these great shows, great roles. How do you go about choosing? I mean, do you pick and choose, or?
Yeah, I try to as much as I can.
Yeah.
In this case, it was something that was very different from Parenthood, and after 6 years playing, you know, a great dad, great husband, all that, I wanted to do something very different, and this was risky for me, I felt, and
right time.
but it was the right time and the right role, and I wanted to do something that was more fun and different.
You seem to blush every time we talk about how racy this show is. How are you doing with all these like steamy sex scenes?
Well, doing it's one thing. Sitting here talking about it with you guys is another.
Wait, let's talking about Parenthood, though.
Yes.
We love you and your Parenthood co-star Lauren Graham together.
Yep.
You know, I know that she's been. I think she's actually tweeting out stuff about the
She
cat.
started tweeting because of a book she wrote, Someday Maybe, which did very well, and I think that her publishing house, Random House, wanted her to do that, so that's how she got started.
You think her?
But so she's tweeting that out. I know that you're supportive of her reboot of Gilmore Girls.
Absolutely. I was watching it on the plane.
I heard that. Yeah.
I was flying here just last night, and you know, they have DirecTV on JetBlue, and there was Gilmore Girls, so I thought, oh, I'll just hang out with Lauren for a little while on the plane. So.
You know, fans want to see you
We'd
all
like
in
to
each other's
see,
shows. But I know you all won't do that. They're so private and cute.
You never know.
You never know.
Oh, I thought you see that.
I see he's spilling.
Maybe.
He's here.
Well,
That's what happens on New York Live.
The Catch premieres tomorrow at 10 p.m. on ABC, so check it out. Peter, thank you so much for stopping by.
Good to see
Thank
you.
you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
steamy. Steamy.